MLA A.K. Mirabai today inaugurated a multi-broker prepaid training center of BKC Enterprise Private Limited at Gambhir Shopping Arcade, BT Road, Imphal. 11th Foundation Day of Online Trading Academy Manipur was also observed during the function. A one-day awareness program on apprenticeship Pakwada was organized by Manipur Society for Skill Development at Classic Hotel today. Manipur Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam and several dignitaries attended the program. Mera Mifam 2019 annual conference on Umanglai Harauba was held at lamjingbatomtv Palace compound today. The conference was organized by Umanglai Kanba Apunbalup Ukal. Police Commemoration Day was observed at the Memorial Complex of 1st Manipur Rifles Campus, Imphal, today by paying tribute to the martyrs. The event was attended by DGP of Manipur Police, L.M. Khaute, and other top officials of the state police. In Jiribam district, observing the Police Commemoration Day, homage was paid to the 3 police martyrs of Jiribam who had made supreme sacrifices in the line of duty. Floral tribute was paid to the photographs of Yumnam Budhi Singh, Ngangom Amuyai Singh and Thangjam Birjit Singh on the occasion. Polling for the by-elections to the 4 Assam Assembly constituencies, Rangapara, Sonari, Ratabari and Zania began at 7 a.m. on Monday. Voting will end at 5 p.m. The by-election will decide the fate of 20 contestants by 6,78,898 voters, including 3,27,803 female and 1/3 gender. For the first time in Manipur, a comic textbook for environmental studies for students of class 3 was launched by Educational Minister T.H. Radheshyam today at the conference hall of Samagra Siksha located at Babupara, Imphal West. All the state police forces of the northeastern states are observing Police Commendation Day today. Police Commemoration Day is observed on October 21st every year to mark the martyrdom of policemen killed in Ladakh in 1959 and to pay tribute to all other police personnel killed on duty during the year. On this day in 1959, 20 Indian soldiers were attacked by the Chinese troops in Ladakh, during which 10 were killed and 7 were imprisoned and others managed to escape. Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju joined the nation in paying tributes to those martyrs today.